वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस टुडे। हम लोग 20 क्वेश्चन करेंगे इकोसिस्टम पे। इकोसिस्टम पे हम बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चंस लेके आए हैं आप लोगों के लिए। जल्दी से आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम का ग्रुप पे, अपने जितने भी ग्रुप्स हैं सब पे लिंक शेयर कर दो। आई वांट मोर एंड मोर पीपल, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग होंगे, जितने ज़्यादा लोग होंगे उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा, उतना बढ़िया रहेगा। तो जल्दी से इस लाइव स्ट्रीम का लिंक शेयर कर दीजिए आप सब लोग से, और हम लोग तुरंत स्टार्ट करेंगे आज का सेशन। आज का सेशन बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है। वी आर गोइंग टू डू the you know the hand picked questions on ecology. You are going to do hand picked questions on ecology with me. आप मेरे साथ ये करने वाले हैं, तो जल्दी से आ जाओ। जल्दी से ज्वाइन कर लीजिए। So this is the first हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे आज हैंड पिक्ड क्वेश्चंस ऑन इकोलॉजी। एंड इकोलॉजी में बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग 20 क्वेश्चंस है। 20 क्वेश्चंस में हम लोग काफ़ी कुछ कंप्लीट कर लेंगे, काफ़ी कुछ देख लेंगे, ठीक है ना। और इस लिंक का, इसका जो लिंक है उसको आप सबको शेयर कर दीजिए ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग ज्वाइन कर सकें। हम भी एक बार शेयर कर देते हैं, फिर इस सेशन को स्टार्ट करते हैं। बस 2 मिनट लगेगा, सबके साथ शेयर कर देते हैं और फिर इस सेशन को स्टार्ट करते हैं, ठीक है। और 20 क्वेश्चन करेंगे साथ में, आप भी मेरे साथ करिएगा। हम उसका पूरा एक्सप्लेनेशन भी देंगे आपको कि क्या उसके पीछे का करेक्ट आंसर था और क्यों होना चाहिए वो करेक्ट आंसर, तो वो हम आपको बताते हुए चलेंगे। इसलिए आप बिल्कुल भी परेशान मत होइएगा। यू कैन लाइव चैट विद मी, आप हमको लाइव चैट कर सकते हैं। यू कैन सेंड मी मैसेजेस, आप हमको मैसेज भेज सकते हैं। तो आप हमको मैसेजेस भेजिए और हमारे साथ लाइव जुड़िए आज इस सेशन में। एंड डू सेंड द लिंक ऑफ दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम इन योर ग्रुप्स ताकि और भी लोग ज्वाइन कर पाएँ। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना किसी देरी के। आई विल स्टार्ट, यू कैन लाइव चैट विद मी, आप हमसे लाइव चैट कर सकते हैं। यू कैन लाइव चैट विद मी। तो चलिए हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे आज का सेशन। एंड टुडे सेशन वील स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर टुडे। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर टुडे इज द स्पीशीज एरिया रिलेशनशिप वॉज गिवन बाय। देखिए आज हम लोग इकोलॉजी पे बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस करने जा रहे हैं। तो सबसे पहले आपको देखना है कि स्पीशीज एरिया रिलेशनशिप किसने दिया था। ई.पी. ओडम, ए.जी. टैंजले, पॉल अर्लिक, एलेक्जेंडर वॉन हम्बोल्ट। सो दीज आर द 4 साइंटिस्ट। ये बहुत ही साइंटिस्ट के जितने भी ये नेम्स हैं, दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट और आपको इनके सबके नाम इंपॉर्टेंट याद रखने हैं, ठीक है ना। तो जो इसमें जो स्पीशीज एरिया रिलेशनशिप दिया था, इट वॉज गिवन बाय एलेक्जेंडर वॉन हम्बोल्ट। इसको एलेक्जेंडर वॉन हम्बोल्ट ने दिया था। सो द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस इज एलेक्जेंडर वॉन हम्बोल्ट हु गिव द स्पीशीज एरिया रिलेशनशिप। डू शेयर द लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग चैट। ये आप लाइव स्ट्रीम आप शेयर जरूर करें, अपने ग्रुप्स पे लोगों को बुलाएं ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग ज्वाइन कर सकें। आई कैन सी पीपल ज्वाइनिंग। कम ऑन, हाई, गिव मी अ हाई। आप हमको चैट बॉक्स में हाई बोल सकते हैं और आप भी करेक्ट आंसर इसका मुझे चैट बॉक्स में बता सकते हैं। यू कैन टेल मी द करेक्ट आंसर इन द चैट बॉक्स। आप हमको चैट बॉक्स में इसका करेक्ट आंसर बता सकते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन आज का हम लोगों ने सॉल्व कर लिया। 20 क्वेश्चन करेंगे इकोलॉजी पे, एक से एक क्वेश्चन करेंगे और आप लोग अगर हमसे कहेंगे तो हम और भी लाइव आएंगे। अलकदीप सिंह, हेलो अलकदीप सिंह। वी आर डूइंग लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग कर रहे हैं। विवेक माहेश्वरी इज देयर। Okay, so Vivek Maheshwari is also there. So we are doing live streaming on the ecosystem पे लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग कर रहे हैं आज हम लोग. 20 क्वेश्चंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कर रहे हैं. तो चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. वी कम टू आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर टुडे. बायोडाइवर्सिटी टर्म वाज पॉपुलराइज्ड बाय. ये किसने टर्म पॉपुलराइज किया था? देखिए जब इकोसिस्टम की बात होती है ना तो उसमें काफ़ी साइंटिस्ट हैं, और किस साइंटिस्ट ने क्या करा था ये बहुत बहुत पूछे जाते हैं. इस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस जो होते हैं वो बहुत पूछे जाते हैं, बहुत आते हैं, ठीक है ना. तो पॉल अर्लिक हो गए, अलेक्जेंडर वॉन हम्बोल्ट हो गए, ठीक है, ई.पी. ओडम हो गए, ए.जी. टैंजले हो गए. इन सब के नाम अगर आप याद रखेंगे और उन्होंने क्या किया था वो अगर याद रखेंगे तो काफ़ी सही रहेगा. सो द बायोडाइवर्सिटी टर्म वॉज पॉपुलराइज्ड बाय, इफ़ यू नो इट, इट इज़ एडवर्ड विल्सन. एडवर्ड विल्सन ने इस टर्म को पॉपुलराइज किया था. आई वॉन्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू ज्वाइन मोर एंड मोर इन नंबर, ठीक है. तो इस टर्म को पॉपुलराइज किया था एडवर्ड विल्सन ने सबसे पहले. एडवर्ड विल्सन, वेरी गुड. विवेक महेश्वरी, विवेक महेश्वरी ने सही आंसर दिया इसका, एडवर्ड विल्सन. So Vivek is doing quite well, quite fine, very good Vivek. So now moving on towards our next question for today. The third question is match the following columns in column A with column B. आपको columns को match करना है इसमें और देखना है कि क्या है ये जो आपको यहाँ पे different organisms के name दिए हुए हैं, आपको उनके कहाँ पे वो belong करते हैं उससे आपको match करना है, ठीक है. तो इसमें देखिए The first dodo was from Mauritius. Dodo कहाँ से थी? Mauritius से थी. So dodo matches with Mauritius. And the thylacine comes from Russia. Thylacine जो था वो organism रशिया से था. Quagga जो था it was from Africa. And fourth that is a Steller sea cow. That is fourth Steller sea cow. See one thing यहाँ पे एक जो कन्फ्यूज़न हो सकता है, यहाँ पे कभी कदार कुछ कन्फ्यूजन्स भी हो जाते हैं मैच द फॉलोइंग में कि कुछ बिल्कुल मिलते जुलते ऑप्शंस वो दे देते हैं, ठीक है ना, और आप आखिरी तक मैच करते हुए जाते हो बट आखिरी में ऐसा होता है कि एक ऑप्शन से वो अलग हो जाता है, ठीक है ना. तो यहाँ पे देखना, ध्यान देना हमने कि जैसा कि आपको बताया कि इसका देखिए फर्स्ट का डोडो का क्या होगा, डोडो का होगा मॉरिशस, ठीक है. सेकेंड थाइलासीन का होगा ऑस्ट्रेलिया, थाइलासीन का होगा ऑस्ट्रेलिया, ठीक है. क्वागा जो होगा वो अफ्रीका होगा और स्टीलर सी काउ इज़ फ्रॉम रशिया, ठीक है ना. तो इसको ध्यान देना है हमें यहाँ पे कि कभी कदार ये ऐसा हो जाता है. तो हम लोग इसको करेक्ट ऑप्शन आता है 4 विच इज़ 1 मैचेस विद बी, 2 मैचेस विद सी, 3 मैचेस विद डी एंड 4 मैचेस विद 4 matches with A. Okay, so now moving on towards our next question. The fourth question for today is which of the following is not a broadly utilitarian argument in biodiversity conservation. Biodiversity conservation में ये कौन सा आर्ग्यूमेंट इसमें ब्रॉडली यूटिलिटेरियन नहीं है? देखिए दो तरीके के आर्ग्यूमेंट होते हैं, एक होता है नैरोली यूटिलिटेरियन, एक होता है ब्रॉडली यूटिलिटेरियन. तो बायोडाइवर्सिटी कंजर्वेशन की जब हम लोग बात करते हैं कि क्यों हमें बायोडाइवर्सिटी को कंजर्व करना चाहिए, व्हाई डू वी नीड बायोडाइवर्सिटी आफ्टर ऑल, तो इसमें दो तरीके के आर्ग्यूमेंट्स होते हैं, एक होते हैं नैरोली यूटिलिटेरियन, एक होते हैं ब्रॉडली यूटिलिटेरियन. नैरोली यूटिलिटेरियन जो होते हैं दे आर मेनली कंसर्न विद जो कि डायरेक्टली या इनडायरेक्टली हमसे, डायरेक्टली हमको या इनडायरेक्टली हमको क्या करते हैं, अफेक्ट करते हैं. और ब्रॉडली यूटिलिटेरियन में हम अपने इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे बात नहीं करते हैं, वी टॉक अबाउट द इन्वायरमेंट कि ये बायोडाइवर्सिटी पूरे इन्वायरमेंट को कैसे इफेक्ट करती है. सो दैट इज ब्रॉडली यूटिलिटेरियन. तो इसमें कह रहा है कि कौन सा नहीं है ब्रॉडली यूटिलिटेरियन. तो भाई ध्यान दो कौन सा नहीं है ब्रॉडली यूटिलिटेरियन. पॉलिनेशन, मिनरल साइकिल, हैबिटेट फॉर वाइल्ड लाइफ, ये सारे ही इन्वायरमेंट्स के लिए हैं, ये सारे ही इन्वायरमेंट्स के. पॉलिनेशन इन्वायरमेंट, ठीक है, मिनरल साइकिल पूरे इन्वायरमेंट के लिए होती है, हैबिटेट फॉर वाइल्ड लाइफ. बट एल्केलॉइड्स हम अपने पर्सनल यूज़ के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. एल्केलॉइड्स हम लोग अपने कुछ कॉस्मेटिक्स एंड उसके लिए एल्केलॉइड्स यूज़ होते हैं. तो इट इज़ नॉट अ ब्रॉडली यूटिलिटेरियन आर्गूमेंट. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इसके लिए जो आपका करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा, इट वुड बी एल्केलॉइड्स. द करेक्ट आंसर इज 4th. ओके, संगीता रानी सर आज यूट्यूब पर हो लाइव. यस संगीता रानी, आई एम लाइव ऑन यूट्यूब टुडे एंड वी आर सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चन. संगीता, डू शेयर द लिंक ऑफ दिस यूट्यूब लाइव एंड सो दैट मोर एंड मोर पीपल कैन ज्वाइन एंड डू क्वेश्चंस विद मी. आज हम बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग 20 क्वेश्चंस लेके आए हैं और ये 20 क्वेश्चंस हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे इकोसिस्टम पे. ऐसे ही अगर आप लोग हमें सपोर्ट करेंगे और ऐसे ही हमारे साथ जुड़ेंगे तो हम और भी हर दिन के हिसाब से क्वेश्चन लेके आएंगे. आपके नीट 2020 से पहले इतने अच्छे सारे क्वेश्चन करवा देंगे. मेरी कोशिश ये रहेगी कि सारे चैप्टर से इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन करवा दें. सो आई वॉन्ट मोर एंड मोर ऑफ यू टू ज्वाइन. आप ज्वाइन करिए और अपने ग्रुप्स में इसका लिंक भेजिए, अपने एस्पिरेंट्स, फेलो एस्पिरेंट्स के साथ इसका लिंक शेयर करिए ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग आ पाएँ और हमारा इस यूट्यूब लाइव पे हमको आप अपने चैट बॉक्स में हमको अपने करेक्ट आंसर भी हमको दे सकते हैं, एंड यू कैन इंटरेक्ट विद मी, यू कैन ऑलवेज इंटरेक्ट विद मी. Now moving on towards our next question, the fifth question for today, the primary succession is the development of biotic communities on. The primary succession, देखिए दो तरीके के सक्सेशन होते हैं, एक तो होता है प्राइमरी, एक होता है सेकेंडरी. क्या होता है प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी में मेन डिफरेंस? प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी में मेन डिफरेंस ये है कि प्राइमरी एक ऐसी जगह पे स्टार्ट होता है सक्सेशन जहाँ पे पहले कभी कोई लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म नहीं था, जहाँ पे पहले कभी कोई लाइफ नहीं थी. ऐसे सक्सेशन को हम लोग प्राइमरी सक्सेशन कहते हैं. जबकि सेकेंडरी सक्सेशन क्या होता है? ऐसी जगह पे सक्सेशन मतलब लाइफ की स्टार्टिंग होती है जहाँ पे पहले कभी लाइफ थी पर किसी नेचुरल कैलामिटी की वजह से या किसी और रीज़न की वजह से वो पॉपुलेशन एग्जिस्ट करना बंद कर दी, लेकिन वहाँ पे सॉइल प्रेजेंट थी पहले से. ठीक है, क्योंकि लाइफ एग्जिस्ट कर चुकी थी तो सॉइल वहाँ पे थी. जबकि प्राइमरी सक्सेशन कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है? सॉइल फॉर्मेशन से स्टार्ट होता है. ठीक है ना. तो क्या मतलब हुआ? प्राइमरी सक्सेशन इज द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ बायोटिक कम्युनिटीज ऑन द न्यूली एक्सपोज्ड हैबिटेट, क्लियर्ड फॉरेस्ट एरिया, फ्रेशली हार्वेस्टेड क्रॉप यील्ड, पॉन्ड फिल्ड एयर, pond filled after a dry season. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा, वेरी गुड विवेक, द करेक्ट आंसर इज 1, इट इज न्यूली एक्सपोज्ड हैबिटेट. रोड साइड वॉकर, टीच इन इंग्लिश प्लीज सर. ओके रोड साइड वॉकर, आई कैन टीच in English. Road side walker, I am going to start in English. So we have done 5 questions and we are going to do 20 questions. We are going to do 20 questions on ecosystem, and these 20 questions, they are very important for your NEET 2020 preparation. So roadside walker, now I'm going to start in English as you said. So the next question for today will be the 6th question on your screens. See the question and tell me the answer in the comment box. Which one factor is not included in the Abel quartet? Which one of these factors is not included in the Abel quartet? The first is habitat loss and fragmentation, overexploitation, alien species invasion, pollution and disturbance, co-extinction. Now tell me which of the following is not included in the Abel quartet. I want to know it in the comment section. Let's see. I want all of you to participate as much as in numbers. Do share the link. Do share the link and in your groups so that more and more people can join. It will give me motivation to come live every day and come with 20 questions which are very important for your exam preparation, and they will help you in your preparation for the NEET 2020. Okay, so I'm still waiting for the answer. Neeraj Hastings, good, going very well, keep it up. Thank you sir, thank you sir, it means a lot. It really means a lot. Your compliments means a lot. So roadside walker has also given me a thanks for starting the session in English. So roadside walker, I also want the answers. Okay, so which one factor is not included in the Abel quartet? See, in the Abel quartet, these are the 4 reasons why they are known as evil quartet. Why they are known as evil quartet? They are known as evil quartet because these are the 4 reasons which are responsible for the the loss to biodiversity. And the 4 responsible the 4 reasons which are included in the Abel quartet, they are habitat loss and fragmentation, it is overexploitation, it is alien species invasions, and it is co-extinctions. But it is not pollution and disturbance. So the correct answer would be, since 4 is given in the option 2, so the correct answer is 2. I can mark it for all of you. If you cannot see it, I am going to mark it for all of you. It is the second option, 4th. Second option, 4th. So all of you do participate in the comment section. The 7th question for today is going to be on your screens. Do participate and tell me the correct answer for this. The 7th question is there. Now, in a species area relationship, the value of regression coefficient Z is depends. So the value of Z depends on what factors? Come on, tell me. I want it in the comment section. I want it in the comment section. Come on. All of you who are watching, come on, tell me in the comment section. What is the correct? The Z depends on 7th. And who was the scientist? Can you also tell me the scientist who, this took out this relationship, or who, who hypothesized this whole thing that Z factor is there and what does Z means? So all of this was given by whom? If you can tell me in the comment section, I would be very happy. In the chat box, roadside walker is there, Sangeeta Rani is there. Come on, Sangeeta Rani, roadside walker, I want to see. If you can tell me the correct answer for this, I'm waiting. In a species area relationship, the value of regression coefficient Z depends upon the area of exploration. So as much of area as you explore, the much of area that you explore, the more is the diversity, and the more is the diversity. I wanted to know of the name of the scientist in the comment section, but no one has given me the name. Let's see if anyone can give me the name. Till the last of the session, I'll be waiting. So the people are joining, they are lefting, they are joining, they are lefting. I would request you to keep joined. There are 20 questions. There are only 20 questions that we are going to solve today, and we have done 7 questions. You can share the link of this YouTube live stream with your friends so that they can also join and see today's session. Okay, so now the 8th question for today is gonna be on your screens. I will, ecology at the level of organism tries to understand how different organisms they are adapted to their different environment in terms of not only survival but also reproduction, thus referred as synecology, physiological ecology, behavioral ecology, developmental ecology. Come on, tell me in the chat box the correct answer for this question. The question is, ecology at the level of organism tries to understand how different organisms they are adapted to their environment in terms of not only survival but also reproduction, thus referred as, come on in the chat box, the correct answers. I want to see that. I want to see everyone participating who all are watching the live streaming. Come on, I want to see it. Okay, so the correct answer for this is, it is physiological ecology. It is physiological ecology, that is at the organism level, understand how different organisms they are adapted to their environment. Okay, so it is known as physiological ecology. It is known as physiological ecology. So the correct answer is 2, physiological ecology. Now moving on towards our next question, very easy question. Now I want all of you to see this and answer this. One population day. I expect Vivek Maheshwari also to answer this question. World Population Day is celebrated on. Come on, Vivek Maheshwari, you can answer this. I know. If you're watching, you can answer this. I know it. Come on. World Population Day is celebrated on. Come on, if anyone can answer, I am still waiting for the answer. World Population Day is celebrated on. When is the World Population Day celebrated? When is the World Population Day celebrated? So I'm waiting for the answers in the comment section. I think someone has answered. Okay, Roadside Walker says it's 3. Okay, Roadside Walker says it's 11th July. Yes, Roadside Walker, you're absolutely correct. It's 11th July. Okay, so Roadside Walker, you also share the link of this YouTube live stream to everyone so that everyone can see and participate with you. Okay, so now moving on towards our next question, the 10th question for today. We are coming on to the 10th question. The 10th question is on your screens. Come on, answer. Everyone answer. The 10th question. Which of the following ecologists show that 5 closely related species of warblers living on the same tree were able to avoid competition and coexist due to behavioral differences in their foraging activities? Connell, MacArthur, Ramdev Mishra, Arthur Tansley. Come on, quickly in the comment section. I want to see if all of you can answer this particular question. I'm waiting. Come on. Which of the following ecologists showed that 5 closely related species of warblers living on the same tree were able to avoid competition and coexist due to behavioral differences in their foraging activities? Okay, so the scientist was MacArthur. It was MacArthur who who did this, that who proved, who tried to prove that they were this closely related species, they cannot coexist, they cannot exist. Okay, so this way the Sangeeta Rani is saying to MacArthur. Okay, Sangeeta Rani, you are correct. It's MacArthur who who said that closely related species, they can coexist if they are able to avoid the competition, okay, differences in their foraging activities. Very good, Sangeeta Rani, you are correct. So the correct answer for this is MacArthur. We are moving towards our next question for today. The 11th question is on your screens. Which of the following would appear as the pioneer organisms in water body? Now, what are pioneer organisms, and now how do these differ in the different habitats? Come on, tell me the correct answer for this. Sangeeta Rani, Roadside Walker, all of you, I want all of you to participate and tell me. I want you to share the links so that more and more people can join. I will, come with the next questions when I can see that more people are joining. So do share the links and do come live. If you can tell me, I can come live daily. If you want me, I can come live daily, or maybe in 2 days, in every 2 days I can come live and do these live sessions with all of you. Come on, Sangeeta Rani, I'm waiting for the answer. I'm waiting for the answer. Roadside Walker, where are you? I want you also to answer the question, that is, which of the following would appear as pioneer organisms in the water body? So the pioneer organisms in water body, who they are? First of all, Vivek Maheshwari is saying it's 4. Okay, Vivek Maheshwari, let's see if it's 4 or not. See, in a water body, herbs cannot appear. Okay, the herbs are there in the terrestrial environment. Herbs and shrubs, they are there in the terrestrial environment. Okay, so they are not the pioneer. The pioneer, who are the pioneer, Vivek? Pioneer are the organisms who are the first to colonize that particular area. Who are the first to colonize that particular area, they are known as the pioneer organisms. So when you are talking about the pioneer organisms in water body, they have to be phytoplankton. They have to be phytoplankton, not herbs. Herbs, they grow on a place which are terrestrial, which are not like aquatic places. Okay, so the terrestrial places. So the phytoplankton is the correct answer for this, that it is a pioneer organisms on water body. Sangeeta Rani is saying lichen. Sangeeta, it's not lichen. Lichen, they are the pioneer organisms on bare rocks, like the terrestrial environment. We are talking about the two contrasting. We are talking about the two contrasting environments. Okay, one is aquatic and the other is terrestrial. And the terrestrial one, the lichen, Sangeeta, what happens is lichen appears on the bare rocks and soil. That is the dry environment. They are the pioneer organisms of the dry environment, while the aquatic environment, they are the phytoplankton. I hope you got that, Sangeeta Rani. Lichen, they are the pioneer organisms on bare rocks and soil, and phytoplankton, they are the pioneer organisms on water body. Okay, so now moving on towards our next question for today. The 12th question is there on your screens. The question is there. Do read that question and tell me the correct answer for it. A species is introduced into a new geographical area where it become invasive and start spreading fast. Which of the following may be the most probable reason for this? The invaded land has plenty of food, the conditions are favorable in new habitat, the invaded land does not have its natural predator, the soil in a new area is fertile. Come on, quickly in the comment section, I want all of you who are watching this live streaming to do this question and tell me the correct answer for this in the comment section. Let's see who can answer the fast, who can answer the correct answer. Okay, I'm waiting. Sangeeta Rani, all of you who are there, you can tell me the correct answer in the chat box. I'm waiting. A foreign species is introduced in a new geographical area where it becomes invasive and starts spreading fast. Now think about it. Which of the following may be the most probable reason for this? Okay, which of the following may be the most probable reason for this? I'm waiting in the comment section. Let's see if I can get the correct answer for this. I'm still waiting. Sangeeta, Roadside Walker, there are people who are watching. I want you to see, I want you to tell me the correct answer for this. Okay, Vivek is saying it's 3. The invaded land does not have its natural predator. Vivek, you are absolutely correct. Very good. Congratulations. That, yeah, it's kind of a logical question. Ecology, environment is basically, it's more of a logic. Okay, so you think the species is introduced into a land, into a new geographical area now where it is becoming invasive and starts spreading fast, which means that that particular geographical area, it does not have the natural predators which can which can be either this particular species can be the prey of any other species, but it is not, because there is no natural predator for this species. Okay, so Vivek, you are absolutely correct. And which by that we move to the next question for today, the 13th question on the screens. Which of the following contributes to increase in population density? Come on, again, it's a very like generic question. Everyone can answer, whoever is watching, everyone can answer this question. Which of the following contributes to increase in population density? Natality, mortality, immigration and emigration. Come on, I'm waiting for the answer in the comment section. I want all of you to participate, and all of you who are watching, do give me the correct answer in the chat box. Let's see who can correctly answer. Okay, Sangeeta Rani saying it's 2. Which of the following contributes to increase in population density? Sangeeta, what is mortality? First of all, come on, define mortality in the chat box. I want to know whether you know what is mortality or not. What is mortality? Whether it is birth rate or is it death rate? Mortality, natality, immigration, emigration. These are the 4 terms we are talking about, and I want to know the correct answer for this. Mortality basically, Sangeeta, is death rate. It cannot contribute to the increase in natality. Yeah, it's natality, it's not mortality. See, 2 options can be correct in this particular question. What you have to do is, it's a little tricky question. 2 options can be correct. One is natality, that is the birth rate, and the second one is the immigration. Immigration can also lead to the increase in population, but the thing is, immigration at such a huge level which increases the which causes the increase in population density is very rare. It is very rare. It cannot, like, it doesn't happen naturally. So now, out of these, natality, the birth rate, it is the biggest contributor in the increase in the population density. It is the biggest contributor in the increase in population density. So the natality would become the most probable or correct answer for this. Okay, so the natality is the correct answer. Okay, Sangeeta, you are correct. We are moving on towards our next question, the 14th question for today. Pollutants from man's activities like effluents from industries and homes can radically accelerate an aging of lake that is known as, come on, quickly, I want all of you to participate, whoever are watching, and do share the link. Come on, what you are doing, do share the link of this particular YouTube live stream so that more and more of your friends and people, they can come and they can participate. Do that. Roadside Walker said it's 2. Okay, Roadside Walker says it's 2, eutrophication. Let's see if it's eutrophication or not. Okay, Vivek Maheshwari also saying eutrophication. Pollutants from man activities like effluents and industries from home can directly accelerate the aging of lake, that is known as eutrophication. Very good, Roadside Walker, very good, Vivek Maheshwari. The correct answer is 2, it's eutrophication. It is the natural aging of lake. It is the natural aging of lake. Very good. The correct answer is 2, eutrophication. Moving on towards our next question for today, the 15th question is there on your screens. I want all of you to participate. The number of individuals in each trophic level depends upon. The number of individuals in each trophic level depends upon. Quickly in the chat box. Do share the links. Do share the link so that more people can join and answer in the chat box. Come on, everyone. The number of individuals at higher trophic level, the number of individuals at the lower trophic level, the number of food chains present, the amount of sunlight available. Come on. Vivek Maheshwari says it's 3, the number of food chains present. Let's see whether 3 is correct answer or not. So the number of individuals present in each trophic level, it depends upon the number of individuals at the lower trophic level. So Vivek Maheshwari, I will explain you this. What happens is, the trophic levels are the different levels of organisms in the food chain. So the first trophic level becomes the producers, the plants. They are the first trophic level, they are producing. Okay, now the organisms which directly depend upon these, plants, they come at the second trophic level. Now the organisms which depend upon these organisms for their food, which dependent upon the plant, they will come at the third trophic level, and likewise the trophic levels rise. Now what happens is, there is only 10% of the energy transfer. For example, just imagine the whole amount of energy being produced by the plants, the whole amount, first of all, the whole amount of energy which is coming from the sun, only 10% of that energy can be converted into like useful food by the plants. Now of this 10%, only 10% can be transferred to the successive trophic levels, only 10 10 10. So the more your trophic level you're rising, the number of energy or the amount of energy is decreasing by as much as 90%. So that, you know, the number of trophic level or the number of individual that can be supported at particular trophic level, it depends upon the lower trophic level. Okay, so the organisms which are present at the second trophic level, they will depend upon the first trophic level, so lower trophic level. So the correct answer would be second. I hope Vivek has got that correct now. And now we are moving on towards our next question for today, the 16th question. Which of the following is not a limitation of pyramids? You know about the pyramids, what are pyramids? So which of the following is not a limitation of pyramids? Come on. First option was not correct, Sangeeta Rani. It's okay. Roadside walker, it was not fourth as well, it was second. And I hope you, all of you, got the correct reason, explanation behind that. Okay, so now you have to tell me, well, that was very smooth explanation. Thanks. Thank you Vivek. It means a lot. It means a lot to me. Okay, so I want to know the correct answer for this 16th question. Come on, everyone. Which of the following is not a limitation of pyramid? So limitation, okay, roadside walker says it's 2. It does not accommodate food chain. Okay, roadside walker. Let everyone also else also answer. Let's see if Sangeeta can correctly answer or Vivek can correctly answer. Then we'll see what is the correct answer. Of course, we're gonna do that. So which of the following is not a limitation of pyramids? So it does not take into account the same species belonging to or more trophic level. No. It does not accumulate a food chain. Yes, that is a limitation. Roadside walker, you are perfectly correct. It is does not, you know, it is the correct answer is it does not accommodate a food chain. It does not accommodate a food chain and also food web. So is not a limitation. It is see, now again the question gets confusing when they put one more thing is there. I want to, you know, tell you one more interesting thing is there. What they do is they say which of the following is not incorrect. Now they have started giving like this, which of the following is not incorrect. Now you have to search for the correct statement. When they are saying not incorrect, which means what? Correct. Now what happens is not and incorrect both gives you a feeling that you have to search for the negative statement, that is the wrong statement, but you have to search for the correct statement. So that happens. Now they have given not a limitation. Now not a limitation of pyramids. Now you have to pay attention. It does not accommodate a food chain. It is a correct answer. It is not the limitation of pyramids. Otherwise all of the other, they are the limitation of the pyramids. Okay. Now moving on towards our next question for today, the 17th question. The contribution of nitrous oxide and CFC, which is chlorofluorocarbons, in greenhouse effect is respectively. Come on, it's a slightly like memorizing thing. I know it's a slightly memorizing thing that you know, in ecology a lot of things has to be memorized. It happens. So now contribution of N2O and CFC's greenhouse effect is respectively. I want to see if anyone you know, remembers the exact percentages of these, you know, contribution of these gases. Let's see. Thank you roadside walker. Thank you. It means a lot. So 17th, the correct answer for 17th, I'm waiting in the chat box if anyone can answer. Let me see if anyone can answer this correctly. So the correct answer, Vivek Maheshwari says it's 3, that nitrous oxide, you know, contributes 14%, NCFC contributes 6%. This is what Vivek Maheshwari is saying. Let's see if anyone else can answer. The Godfather, hello Godfather, hello, nice to see you. Where were you? We are doing these live sessions and they are going to, like, you know, they are very important. They are going to give a lot of benefit for your preparation. You come live, I am coming live. You come live with me, you solve these questions with me. Tell Shaurya also to come. I am waiting for Shaurya also. Why is so busy? Where is so busy? I don't know why, what he's doing all these days. So, you know, I am coming live like every in 1 or 2 days I'll be coming live. We'll be doing these 20 questions on very hand-picked questions they are. and they are going to be very beneficial for your preparation, whether it is your NEET 2020 or whether it is your NEET 20 or 21, doesn't matter. It is going to contribute in your preparation. So come. You play a lot of games, I know you play a lot of games, PUBG and all there, and you are making videos, YouTube videos, and posting them. I like your videos, come there, YouTube channel, and I like your videos. So you also come on my channel and do these sessions. They are going to play, a very important role in your preparation. So the correct answer is 4. The correct answer is 4. Vivek, it's just the opposite of what you have told. If nitrous oxide is 6% and CFC is 14%. Okay, but it's okay. It's something that you have to memorize. It's something that you have to memorize. You subscribed, Roadside Walker. Thank you, Roadside Walker. You subscribed, and you also press the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever I post any new video or whenever I come live. Okay, so you'll get the notification now. The 18th question for today, according to Allen's rule, the mammals from the colder climate have. Okay, come on. In the comment section, Godfather. Now, Godfather, tell me the correct answer for this. Third is the answer. Okay, Sangeeta has given the answer for 18 question, I think. That she's saying that third is the answer. Shorter ears and longer limbs. Okay, Sangeeta, we'll see that. Let everyone also, tell me the correct answer for this. Roadside Walker says it's 1. Longer ears and longer limbs. Okay, Roadside. Vivek Maheshwari says it's 2. Shorter ears and shorter. So we have all the varieties of only one is left. If anyone wants to say 4, they can also say 4. So we will cover all the variety of the options 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the correct answer is, according to Allen's rule, the mammals from the colder climate, they have shorter ears and shorter limbs. Now what does this do? Now I'm going to give you explanation for this. Why shorter ears and shorter limbs? See, according to physics, according to science, the more is the surface area, the more is the loss of heat. So, and lesser the surface area, lesser is the loss of heat. So now shorter ears and shorter limbs, what they do, they decrease the surface area of these organisms. And the organisms which live in the colder climate, they need to conserve their body heat. They need not dissipate that heat into the environment. If they dissipate that heat, they lose that heat of their body. So they need to conserve the heat of their body. Now, if their ears and limbs were great, big, so what would happen? It will result in the more loss of heat. It will result in a more loss of heat, and they need to conserve heat in their body. So that is why they have shorter ears and shorter limbs, and that is what Allen told, and that is why it is known as Allen's rule. Thank you, Sanjay Rock. Thank you, Sanjay Rock. I will come live now daily, or maybe in 1 or 2 days. So you can subscribe my channel and you can press the bell icon so that whenever I come live, you get the notification and you get all the updates regarding NEET 2020. It would be very beneficial for you. The next 2 questions, the last 2 questions for today's session we are going to do. Everyone do answer me in the comment section. The 19th question is there on your screen. Which of the following occurs in abiotic component of an ecosystem? Very easy question this is. Come on, quickly in the comment section. I want to know the correct answer for this. Which of the following occurs in abiotic component of an ecosystem? Come on. Which of the following occurs in abiotic component of an ecosystem? In the comment section, come on, chat box. Come on, Vivek Maheshwari, what are you doing? I'm not getting an answer from you. Godfather just came and I think he has gone. Now he's not answering. He's just either he's just watching or either he's gone. He's like that. Vivek Maheshwari says it's 2, flow of energy. Let's see that. We'll see that whether it is true or not. Sangeeta Rani, Sanjay Rock, you need to rock now. Come on. Tell me the correct answer for this question. Which of the following occurs in abiotic component of an ecosystem? Roadside Walker says it's 1. Okay, Roadside Walker, you are perfectly correct. It is 1, cycling of material. See, Vivek Maheshwari, what happens is, abiotic means the components of an ecosystem which are non-living. Biotic means living, abiotic means non-living. Okay, now the thing is, flow of energy, as we have, as I already explained in that particular trophic level question, the flow of energy takes place from organisms, like it from one organism to another organism, from another organism to another organism. So the flow of energy is taking place from one organism to another organism, while the consumers are, of course, the consumers are the living organisms, the living components of the ecosystem. Okay, so it is only the cycling of material. Now what is this cycling of material? Is basically the nutrient cycling which is occurring. It occurs through the abiotic components. For example, there is phosphorus cycle, for example there is a nitrogen cycle. All of this occurs through the abiotic components, like the air, the water, the soil. These are the abiotic components of the environment. Okay, sir, my internet keeps on buffering. Okay, Sangeeta Rani, it's okay, it happens. The net connection sometimes is not very good, it happens. You can join again if it is buffering again and again, you can join again. So now the last question for today, the 20th question. We have done 20 questions on ecology, and they are very interesting questions, although they sound very like easy, but they're not that easy. They have logic. Okay, so now we are coming to the 20th question for today. Come on everyone, the 20th question, the last question. Identify the correct statement from the following. You have to identify the correct statement from the following. Mammals from colder climates generally have longer ears and limbs to minimize heat loss. Organisms maintain homeostasis by physiological means alone. Success of mammals is largely due to their ability to maintain constant body temperature. A majority of mammals, nearly all plants, can maintain a constant internal environment. You have to identify the correct statement from the following. Come on, the last question for today is on your screen. I want to see who gives the correct answer first. Come on. Okay, Vivek Maheshwari has given the answer, and he says it's tree. It is the success of mammals is largely due to the ability to maintain their constant body temperature. Let's see if he's correct or not. I want other also to participate. Let's see if in this last question anyone can answer me correctly. The last question is there on your screen. Come on everyone. Vivek Maheshwari has answered. Let's see if anyone else can also answer and tell me the correct answer for this. Do share my, I would request all of you, do share the links of my YouTube channel. Sanjay Rock says it's one, and YouTube channel, I will come live only if I get a lot of people with me. I will come live daily. I can promise you that. I will come live daily. I will do these kinds of sessions daily, which will be very beneficial for your exam preparation. But you have to promise me one thing, that you will share my channel as much as possible. You will ask all the aspirants to subscribe my channel so that they can come and do these kinds of sessions with me. Okay, so I want to see the support from you as well, so that I can come live. Okay, so Roadside Walker says it's 2. See, Vivek Maheshwari, Sanjay Rock says it's 1, Roadside Walker says it's 2. So we have all the variety of options, but the correct answer is 3. Vivek Maheshwari, you are absolutely correct. It's my success of mammals is largely due to their ability to maintain constant body temperature. You can see mammal everywhere, like any kind of environment, whether it is polar, like ice caps are there, whether it is like the deep oceans. You can see the mammals in the deep oceans. You can see mammals flying. The bat, you know what bat is? Bat, mammals flying. The ocean, we have whales. Whales are the mammals. And then you have the mammals like polar bears, which are present there in the polar ice caps, and then you have mammals everywhere. So mammals, and why they are so much successful, why they can be found in so much variety of habitats, because they can maintain their constant body temperature. It doesn't matter the outside temperature is minus 30 degrees Celsius or plus 45 degrees Celsius. The mammals can maintain their constant body temperature. For example, humans, they have a constant body temperature of 37 degrees Celsius, and it remains 37 degrees Celsius no matter what the temperature outside is. So it is our ability to maintain the constant body temperature that we can be found, and we can survive in all the other types of habitats and the environment. If you like this session, all of you who are watching, if you like this session, do subscribe my channel, and come for the live sessions, and I will come. Come on, you can give me a quick thumbs up if you like this session. Okay, Sanika Kadam, can you please upload a video on pleiotropy and polygenic inheritance? Yeah, I'm planning on that, Sanika Kadam. I'm planning on that, and I will I will upload a video. I'm gonna upload a video on blood groups. Okay, I have two requests. One student requested me yesterday to upload a video on blood groups, so I'm gonna do that video on blood groups. And then as Sanika Kadam has said me to upload a video on pleiotropy and polygenic inheritance, I would definitely do that, and I will try my best to come do post the video as soon as possible. Till then, Sanika Kadam, you can subscribe my channel and you can press the bell icon so that whenever any new video comes, you can come and do these sessions. I want session on human reproductive system. Okay, so the next session I am announcing right now that the next session will be on human reproductive system. Roadside walker, you are gonna come and you are gonna bring at least 5 persons with you. That is the only condition with which I am gonna come on human reproduction. You're gonna come and you're gonna bring at least 5 people with you. I am gonna start with human reproduction in our next session. You will get the update when I will come live, because you have subscribed my channel and you have pressed the bell icon. Okay, Sanika Kadam, okay, Roadside Walker, Vivek Maheshwari, all of you who have joined my session, it's a very good it's what very good experience with all of you, interacting with all of you. I will come live again very short, very soon, and we will meet again. Till then, take a very good care and we will meet again. Okay, it's great and easy. Thank you, Roadside Walker. Thank you. Okay, so bye bye from my side. We'll meet again very soon.